Today is Tuesday, August 9th and the third day of SIGGRAPH 2011. Though the chapters party had us dancing until 3 in the morning, that didn't stop everyone from arriving bright and early to the exhibition floor opening. At exactly 9:30 in the morning, attendees were in a full-on stampede on the exhibition floor. Also at 9:30, the job fair, another staple event at SIGGRAPH, opened their doors to applicants of all kinds. Both events will be open all week until Thursday, so grab some really awesome swag, meet some really cool people, and do I even have to mention it? Teapots. Later, the art gallery held a reception where attendees can meet the artists behind the beautiful and very inspirational work. Production sessions by Pixar and DreamWorks for their movies La Luna and Kung Fu Panda 2 were very popular events today. For future sessions, be sure to grab a seat early. They are always crowd favorites. I'm Julie Earls, and that's The Scoop.